guys, today this is the second part 2 of how to make your character online. So first you need to see the body shape. I'm going to keep this. We can do any color. So I'm going to make a monster today. I'm going to make a zombie. I'm going to make the eye kind of scary. I'm going to find every eye. So, okay guys, I'm just going to take the normal eye. The color is same. The eyebrows are going to be angry. The nose, I think I'm going to choose this. The mouth, I'm going to make it like this. Zombies are very scary teeth. So let's take some design here. Let's take this, guys, a scar, because zombies have lots of damages. Yeah, let's take this. And now we're going to take more damage. We're going to keep some blood here, that he's killing people. I'm going to make it like this. So the hair is going to be like this. And then we're going to nothing of that, we need this. And now we're going to make the shirt, guys. So we're going to make it like this. What about, let's see different types of colors which will suit him. I think this suits him. Let's keep a jacket for him. No. Yeah, let's use this. Let's take another design. Wait, let's take this, guys. And this is my design, guys. You can take any other design you want. So I'm going to make a devil type of thing. No animal ears. I'm going to keep some specs, I think. Yeah. Let's take it as this, guys. Now we're going to make him like a commander, and he became a zombie. What should I keep? Let's keep this, guys. Let me see the other designs. Yeah, this is fine. Let's make some kind of color badge, and we're going to use what hand? Yeah, no hands. It is going to be down. Let's make some kind of sparkly. It will be black. The background. Yeah. So after you're done, just click on complete. We're done, guys. So we're going to download this. Let's make another one, guys. Now let's make a cool one. Let's make a type of thing, cool one. So we're going to let's make a witch, guys. A boy witch. Eyes are going to be like that. Okay. The nose is going to be like this. Mouth is going to be like this. And now we're going to, let's see some kind of, yeah, let's keep this, guys. We're going to keep this. Wait, guys. You forgot something, guys. Oh yeah, this is, guys. Now what we're going to do, Let's change the hair. Let's keep it into this. Let's keep the hair color as red. Let's keep this as. Now we're going to keep this small. Okay, we're done with this. Okay. Let's make the shirt like this. We're going to keep it. We're going to keep red. My favorite color, guys. So this I like this character, guys. This is one of my favorite characters. Yeah. Let's choose this. Yeah, and red. Guys, it's your wish. I'm going to choose it all red, guys, because it's going to be like a set. Let's keep it no design here. And for the hair, nothing. Wait, we forgot the cap. Let's keep a witch cap. Yep. Okay, let's keep it like this. Okay, let's keep it like this. And take out the glasses. Wait, yeah, I forgot about the glasses. Let's take out the glasses and it'll have an eye patch here, guys. It looks nice, guys. Just tell me in the comments what should be next. Let's keep a mask here that has the color black. And this, let's see the color. Yeah, black is enough. No badge. The hand should be here. Okay, guys. So we're done, guys. So let's down to this. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this channel and click on the notification button. Now let's see our pictures clearly. See? Tell me in the comments which one is nice. This one or this one. Tell me in the comments, guys. So bye, guys.